What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to go over some products that you can sell on your store this summer that trend every single year. Now, with summer being just around the corner for everyone on the American side of the world, it's winter coming up over here, but you can go and try and sell these products on your store, or maybe you already have a store with products on it and you want to add these as upsells and stuff like that. Every single summer, guys, I like to go through and just find products that are trending and products that could potentially make you money and share them with you guys so you can go and potentially make money with these products. Now, we're not going to mess around today, guys. Remember to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and leave a question below, guys. If you have any, I'm online for the next 24 hours replying to every single question. So, product number one, guys, is really cool. I actually haven't seen this product around before, and it is trending right now. Now, I don't know the past years of this because it is a new product that's going very well right now, but this is dog Pore Cleaners, and obviously in summer these are going to be very popular because people are out walking their dog. And it's actually quite funny that I found this product because I needed this the other day. We are moved into a big new house and we don't have any grass and we have a lot of mud everywhere, and our dog is consistently getting muddy feet, so we'll probably actually buy one of these. But as you can see, guys, there is a massive trend and it's gone down again and it's coming up on another trend. So this is a potential product you could look at because it's in a passionate niche and it solves a problem. That's the two things I like about this particular product. And number three, it's coming up on a big trend. So there could be a lot of hype for this. You could be jumping in early, stuff like that. So that's why I like this product, guys. Those three things. It's a problem solver, it's in a passionate niche, and it is on a big upward trend right now. Now, product number two is, now these are in no particular order, but product number two is something that always trends as well every single summer. So it kind of trends around about this time, March, April, every single year. Actually, that one was a little bit different, but we are coming up now, guys, and it is looking like it's going to be another big trend as well, and this is beach tents. Because obviously, see, the thing about beach tents, guys, is they are cheap, and people usually buy them every year and then throw them away. And that's why there's always a big trend, because people need to buy new beach tents every single year. I know I'm one of those people. I just throw them away because I don't want to store it over winter. Beach tents, guys, are something you should definitely look into as well, because every single year without fail, guys, there is a trend around summer on Google Trends. People are looking for this particular product every single year. Now, number three is something that trends all the time as well. Now, this doesn't just trend in summer, guys. It trends in all sorts of different times of the year, but we are in for a trend. We are in for a trend. It is literally coming up soon. If we go off all of this past data, something is about to happen. So Bluetooth, waterproof speakers in general, guys, always trend around about this time of year. Obviously, summer, people want to go outside, hang out by the water and all that sort of stuff, hang out at the beach. How about that? You can sell a beach tent and you can upsell with a waterproof speaker if you like. So that's two products you can combine right there if you want to go and make some money as well. So that is a Bluetooth speaker, waterproof speaker, guys, and that trends every single summer. Now, this one is one of my favorites, guys. The only problem with this particular product is overall, it's kind of going on a bit of a downward, like last year, or we'll go like that. Last year, it didn't really trend up a lot. It trended up a little bit, but it looks like we have a trend March, April here, and stuff like that. And it looks like it is about to do another uptrend as well. So this could potentially be a good product to jump onto as well. And I personally, guys, have made a lot of money with this product in the past. 2017, I made a lot. 2016, 2018, made a little bit, but I moved on to other products. But I do know that this product does sell very well. You can sell it for around about $49 to $59. That was the best converting price point for me. So this is the solar phone chargers. These do extremely well, and you can use this particular product in multi-interest targeting. So you can do hunting, fishing, camping, running. Sailing. There's so many interests you can target with this particular product. That's why I love this product, because scaling is very easy to do. Now, the next product, guys, is one that I've seen a lot of ads for around recently, and they are doing extremely well, and that is hiking shoes. Hiking shoes always trend up, guys, and we look at this, it's coming up we're right in the middle of a big trend right now. So next few months, people are stocking up ready for summer. Like this usually trends before summer and then dies off a little bit as we get into summer. So this is definitely a product you probably want to test, and I have personally seen a lot of successful ads for this particular product running right now on Facebook. It is doing extremely well on Facebook right now. You can probably jump into Google Shopping as well, and I have no doubt it will be doing extremely well there as well. And as you can see, guys, not only is it trending up, we have a great line that's increasing every single year. So it's increasing a little bit every single year in a upward motion, okay? So it's not just going up and down, it's going up and down, but it's getting more interest over time. Extremely good product to go out and test and see if you can make some money with this particular product. Now, guys, another one. Sorry if I'm going through these pretty quickly, but there's not much to talk about. I'm just showing you the products and showing you what's kind of going on with the trend patterns. Another one, guys, is golf clubs. Now, this is something that I usually wouldn't really jump into because you're like, golf clubs, no one's really going to buy golf clubs. However, this is a high ticket item and we do have a big trend coming up. So trends every single year around summer. We have another trend coming up in the next few months. But the thing about golf clubs, guys, is you can buy full golf club sets off AliExpress for a couple of $100s and you can sell them at a high price. This is high ticket dropshipping. This putter is $16. You can sell this for $120, $150. Golfers pay extremely high amounts for their gear because it is worth that money. And I know this works because on eBay in New Zealand and Trade Me in New Zealand, people are selling this exact brand for $150, $160, $170, and they're paying what, $16 for this thing. So this is a high ticket product. I wasn't going to add this in, but the fact that it's had a consistent trend every single year and it's a high ticket product, people that know how to do high ticket drop shipping will know that they could potentially make good money with this particular product. So I did add this in just in case you thought, hey, I might go try high ticket drop shipping, or maybe you're already doing high ticket drop shipping and you want to add this into your arsenal or add it as an upsell or something like that into your store. Not specifically golf putters, I just put that image up there, but more golf clubs in general. So drivers, putters, golf club sets, okay? Just all sorts of golf clubs. Obviously, you want to find some good ones, but they do trend every single year, guys. Now, the next one, guys, is a cool one. I don't have much experience in this. A friend recommended this one to me when I was asking him about trending products, is the BBQ Grill cover. Now, I would actually use this myself because I hate it when stuff sticks to the grill. It completely ruins your food. So this is a problem solver. I'm not sure it will be in a passionate niche. But once again, every single year it has some sort of trend. We had a massive trend back 2017, 2018. We had a decent trend last year. And now we're coming up to another trend again. So this could potentially be a product you could promote. However, I don't think you could sell this for a high price. I'm just being honest here. It really just depends. But the good thing about this is it's actually a low price anyway to buy it from AliExpress. So even if you sold this for 30, 40, 50 bucks, you're making a pretty good profit. I reckon $39, $49, $59 is kind of getting up there, but you could probably sell it for that as well. Or you could use it as an upsell for some other products in your store. So the BBQ Grill mat is a good one, guys, and it has a proven trend every single year as well. So that is another great product you could potentially put on your store. This one here, I did make money from a long time ago as well. Waterproof phone cases. Now, it had a huge trend back here, which is probably actually when I was selling it. And then a little trend, and then another little trend last year. We are due for another trend as well. Whether that'll happen this year, I don't know for sure, but we are pretty much in for a trend if we go off the past data. Whether it be a big trend or a small trend, who knows? But waterproof cases are very popular. And the best thing, once again, it's in a multi-interest. So you can target camping, fishing, hunting, kayaking, sailing, boating. There's so many people you can target. You can scale this to the moon. However, I don't think this will be another product that you can sell for a high price, maybe $39, $29, $49, which is what I don't really sell nowadays. I go for high ticket stuff. However, I'm going to add this in here anyway because it is a good product that has a proven trend every single summer. The next one, guys, is something that's quite unique. I don't think there will be a huge market for this. But once again, this can probably fall in the high ticket dropshipping category. You could easily sell one of these for $100, $200, maybe even $300. I don't know, probably not $300, but at least $100 to $200. But this has, once again, had a proven trend every single summer. Kayak cover. And you know, the funny thing is, I have a kayak outside right now getting wrecked from the weather, and I could probably use a kayak cover. So kayak covers, guys, even though it's probably a small niche, I do think you could make money in this particular niche because, as we see, there has been a trend every single summer. So that's another particular item you could sell. And just a little bit of a tip, guys, the kayak niche booms in the summer. So you can sell kayak pants, kayaks, kayak paddles, all sorts of kayak things. You could go and sell waterproof cases in the kayak niche. So the kayak niche is very popular in the summer, guys. The next one I'm going to go over is outdoor portable barbecues. Now, I've let this kind of last, guys. Not much of a trend on this one. There was a big spike last year, 2017, 2018. That was 2016, 2017. I don't know. But this one here, we might be due for a little bit of a trend. But that's portable barbecues, guys. I'm not really sure if they're going to be trending much soon. But there has been some slight trending in every single summer in the last 5 years. Next one is lawn chairs. Now, the reason I put this in, guys, is because, you know, this is a pretty basic lawn chair, but if you go on AliExpress, there's lots of different types of lawn chairs that you can promote. Once again, big trend every single summer, but this falls into the high ticket category once again. It's a high ticket product. People will pay good money for these particular products. So even though the niche might be small, you can sell these for a high price that will make back a majority of your money to make up for the small volume. So lawn chairs, guys, I recommend checking out because it's been consistent every single summer. The next one is beach towels. I wasn't going to add this one in, guys, because beach towels are pretty plain and basic and boring, but AliExpress has heaps of cool designs, so you can target specific niches. With this one, you can target military if you like, because it's the American flag. There's lots of different niches you can target. So I highly recommend checking this one out because we're on a trend right now. We're in a trend right now. We're coming up. It's booming. We're going to come up to a big trend right now over the next couple of months. So custom beach towels with the meaning that you can go and target specific interest. You can potentially make good money in this particular product and niche. Next one is fishing lures. Now, I have a good experience with this and they are really, really cheap. I sold a lot of these back in the day, and don't be fooled, guys. This is a massive niche and it's growing. There is a lot of potential in this particular niche to make good money. So fishing lures, guys, is another good one, and every single summer, guys, proven to be a winner, and it's going up again. Now, the good thing about the fishing lure niche, guys, is every single year there's a new type of lure being brought out. If you can go and find those new lures, you can promote them and you can make good money. Different brands, different types, different ones that do different movements in the water, ones that rattle, ones that have neon lights on them. We've got soft baits over here with different designs, different glitter. There's always something different in the fishing lure niche, something that's always hot and trending and working very well for a lot of e-commerce sellers. Now, the next one, guys, is sunglasses. Now, this is a very broad niche. It's not really particular popular niche in specific areas, but the sunglass niche is always booming in the summer. As you can see, every single summer it has been a boom. And if you don't know, guys, there are actually a lot of dropshipping stores that made their mark with sunglasses and started selling sunglasses and made millions and millions of dollars online. In fact, some of the biggest e-commerce stores on the planet just sell sunglasses, guys. It's absolutely crazy. Now, if you want some more dropshipping videos, I will leave some on the side of the screen, guys, that you can check out and go and grow your online e-commerce business. And I take you through step by step on some other strategies in the playlist as well, listed on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Drop a like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.